Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Randika Ibrahim and my MPM is 223121155. And today I will presentation about operating system deep dive. This presentation provide an overview of operating system, exploring their history, component, types, and key function. And the next is a history and evolution of operating system. The first is a early operating system focused on batch processing, handling multiple programs sequentially. And the second is the introduction of time sharing. System allowed for multiple users to interact with a single computer. And the third is the advanced personal computer brought about user-friendly graphical interface. And the first is a modern operating system. For the next is we talk about a component of an operating system. The first is a kernel, the core of the OS, responsible for managing resources. And the second is a user interface, provides a way for user to interact with the OS. The third is a file system. It is organized and manage file and folder. And the last is a memory manager. It is allocate and manage system operation, system memory. The next is types of operating system. The first is desktop OS, designed for personal computers like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The second is mobile OS. It is built for mobile device like Android and iOS. And third is server OS, used for managing server like Windows Server and Linux. And the fourth is embed OS. It is a specialist for embed system, often found device like smartphone and what and that. And the next is process management in operating system. The first is a creation, creates new processes and allocates resource. And the second is scheduling, determines which process gets the CPU at any given time. The third is synchronization, manage the flow of process to prevent conflict. And the first is a termination, it is a stop running processor release resource. The next is a memory management in operating system. The first is a allocation, it is a assign memory to process for execution. The second is a protection, prevent processes from accessing each other's memory. The third is a swapping, move processes between memory and secondary storage to manage limit memory resource. And the fourth is a virtual memory, provide an illusion of more memory than physical using this space as a temporary storage. And for the next, we talk about file management in operating system. The first is organization, organize file and folder hierarchy. And the second is access control, manage user permission for accessing file. And the third is storage management, handles allocation and deallocation of disk space. The fourth is backup and recovery, provide mechanism for backing up and recovery data. And for the next, we talk about I/O management in operating system. For the first, we talk about device driver, provide the interface between the OS and device. The second is buffering, temporary storage used to manage data transfer between device and memory. And the third is spooling, quiz request for I/O device to optimize resource utilization. And the fourth is error handling. It is a manage error that occur during I/O operating. And the next is security features in operating system. The first is authentication, verify user identities. And the second is authorization, control access to resource based on permission. The third is a firewall, blocks unauthorized network traffic. And the first is antivirus, protect against malware and virus. And the last is future trends in operating system. AI power assistance, enhanced security, and cloud-based service are shaping the future of operating system. It's all about my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.